The Thurais or Lord's curry. We often come across curries associated with different nations, like Indian curry or British curry. At thatscurry.com, we've explored the concept that there is one authentic curry, and that is Tamil curry. Interestingly, the very word curry found its way into the English language from Tamil. Within Tamil curry, we've explored ancient curry paste-based, Pathia curry or Sarakku curry, known for its therapeutic properties. Now, let's turn our attention to Thurai curry. In Tamil, Thurai denotes someone in authority, similar to Lord in English. A Thurai, whether a village head, district tax collector, district government administrator, judge, or wealthy individual, may have distinct preferences for particular curries. In South Indian Tamil areas, during the British colonial era, mulligatawny was a favoured soup among the Thurais, and some even enjoyed biryanis. Portuguese Thurais in Jaffna, for example, favoured a unique seafood soup, and Portuguese priests or padres had a liking for pork curry, famously known as dark pork padre curry. The term dark refers to the preservation process wherein leftover hunted animal carcasses are hung and roasted over an open fire, resulting in a dark color. This preserved meat, used in curries, is distinct from black pork curry. Scotland employs smoking as a traditional fish preservation method, while in Tamil areas, dried tuna fish flakes enhance the flavor of vegetarian curries, an intriguing curry secret. Dutch Thurais were fond of lampreys, which continued to be popular under British rule, referred to as lampreis. British Thurais enjoyed the rich cake of the Dutch Thurais, a wedding staple, and also favored deviled dishes with the drinks. There were French Thurais too. The French Thurais in their Tamil colony of Pondicherry during the 17th century were pleased by vadavan curry, a sweeter, shallot-based masala curry used in Tamil lamb and shrimp dishes, as well as curried chicken salad. Pondicherry lamb roulades and one named Moulangtani pour un ravion, 1874, a variation of the widely known English mulligatawny, are favoured choices among the French Thurais. Thurais were often state employees, or in other words, their chefs, and all the grocery bills were picked up by the taxpayers. As a result, they enjoyed their food, and the chefs took extreme care to ensure the food was both tasty and of high quality. This was a luxury the general Tamil people couldn't afford. In another article, I indicated that lampreys or lampreis was reserved for the elite upper class and was considered a very expensive delicacy. Even today, it remains a costly indulgence not due to the ingredients involved but because of the meticulous preparation time it requires. The 450 years of European colonization have significantly shaped the curry culture of the Tamils. What we have in the UK is a small distorted version, often non-vegetarian, of the curry, and when informed customers demand authenticity, there are no answers, resulting in the curry crisis. We will discover many more recipes soon. Stay tuned for more culinary explorations. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.